Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my go-to everyday look if I wear eyeshadow, which is kind of like a 90s grunge-ish look. So if you like to see how I did it, just keep on watching. Okay, first I went in with the Studio Makeup On The Go Warm palette, and I took this lighter brown shade using a BS Small blending brush, and I'm just running this into my crease as my transition shade. With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go. And then also on my lower lash line, I'm using the same brush because I wanted it kind of blown out a little more than normal, because I kind of like, I've been really into like a really blown out lower lash line recently, so I decided why not just do it with this look, and I love how it came out, and I've pretty much been doing this every day for the past few weeks. Okay, and then next I went into the Suva Beauty Protege palette. I got this in, I want to say December's BoxyCharm, or was it? Yeah, no, December's December's BoxyCharm. And I'm just taking an angled, fluffy blending brush, and I'm just running this into my crease on my upper eye. And then I am also just putting this into the outer corner of my eye as well. And I wanted to say sorry that this video is coming up on a Friday. It's because I posted my wig review on Wednesday, which was a day late. And I didn't want to do two videos back to back in 2 days, so I just let it have a day in between. And then I'm just taking that same brown shade. I think it was, oh, I don't remember what it's called. But I'm just running it on my lower lash line as well and making sure that it's connected to the color on the top part of my eye. And then I'm going back in with a little bit more of that first transition shade. It wouldn't be a video if I couldn't like mess up along the way when I'm trying to say words. And then I'm just also blending the lower lash line out a little bit more as well. And then I'm taking this more maroon berry tone shade from the Suva Beauty Protege palette using a Bodyography Pro shader brush. And I'm just patting this all over my lid. Now in the palette, this shade looks a lot more berry, but then it does have like more of a brownie undertone when I put it on my lid, which I actually like. But if you were looking for something that's like super bright maroonish in color, this is probably not that color for you. And then I'm just taking a little bit of that same shade on the tip of that brush, and I'm running it closest to my lower lash line. And then I'm just taking more of that second brown shade that I used from the Suva Beauty palette, and I'm just blending out that maroon color. And I know I'm going through a lot of different palettes for this look, but somebody requested this look, and these are the palettes that I've been using for this look specifically, so I wanted to do true to the look. And then I'm taking the shade Avocado from the BH Cosmetics shaanxo The Remix palette. I'm just taking some of it on my finger, and I'm just patting it in the center of my lid and then blending it out, because I wanted this look to have just like a dewy type of glisten on the very center. I didn't want any stark difference. That's why I'm not only using my finger, but I'm using a tone that's pretty similar to the tones that I use. It's like a brown with like a slightly blue reflect, so it gives you that like glisten shimmer, but then it has those brownie undertones that goes with the matte shades really well. And then I took the NYC liquid liner, and I'm just lining my top lash line. I'm not doing a wing. I'm just creating a nice thin line to give my eyelash line a little bit more definition. Love the touch, but never love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch, but never love the feeling? And then I am taking the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and I'm just coating my top and lower lashes. And then to finish off my base, I went in with the BH Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Tranquil Tan, using a Wet n Wild fluffy angled face brush and just bronzing up my cheekbones. Then I'm taking the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Contour Palette, taking this shade, and I'm just using that to carve out my cheekbones and my jawline using the Luxie foundation brush. And then finally for lips, I went in with the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade Brooklyn Thorn. This is my favorite shade from the Liquid Suede line. And I have been not doing highlight and blush every day. I've just been doing bronzer and contour, or sometimes I even just skip contour as well and just do bronzer. But this is pretty much whenever I actually want to do my makeup and put effort into it on a daily basis. This is the look I have been going for recently, and I really like it. I think it's really kind of like grungy, kind of like, you know, neutral, but not so plain. I don't know. Am I making sense? Who knows? Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next one.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours.